She is mine! Maggie, we don't want to play with you. Go and find another friend. Okay, I will find a new friend. Better than you guys. It's not fun to be by myself. I want to play with him. Oh, he'll be my new friend. Oh, so cute. Let's go and jump now. Let's jump together. It'll be so fun. Aha. Yes, let's go jumping. You are not talking yet. I need to return him. I'm so bored. I want a friend. I need a pet. It can be my new friend. You will be my new friend. I like you. You're even better than Shanti. I have an idea what game we can play. Let's go. I want to play mother and daughter with you. You want to play with me? Come here. Here's a strawberry. I want to play with you. I don't think you can be my pet. I need to return you. Go away. I don't want to play with you. Bad boy. I will try and play by myself. Wow. So nice. But I still want a friend. Hello. I want to order a bird. Okay. I'm waiting. Thank you. Bye-bye. This will be your place. Awesome! My bird. How should I take you? Come here. It's food time. You're hungry, but I still didn't play with you. I really like you. Oh, you're so cute. Let's go and play. Don't ruin my toys. Bird, let's play mother and daughter. I want milk too. It's so fun to play with you. Can I catch you? You beat me. I don't want to play with you. I don't want to play with you too. You can have him. Vera, I need a new friend. I have an idea. What idea? I have a hamster. A hamster? I love hamsters. How should I take him? Oh, small hamster. Awesome! My finger. How should I play with him? You are so tiny and you're biting me. Vera, I don't want to play with your hamster. Go away to your house. What should I do? I miss my Shanti and my sister Naomi. Maggie, I love you. I'm so sorry. Maggie, I'm sorry. We'll play all together. My best friends, I'm so happy. Maggie, I love you. My puppy. Maggie, so cute. Hi. New toy. Wow. So cute. No, it's my toy. It's my toy. It's mine. Don't touch it. You have a puppy? No, it's my dog. Shanti, come here. The friends need to share. No, it's my dog. Give me my dog. Shanti, my puppy. If you don't share, I'm not friends anymore. Okay. Okay, I will play by myself then. So boring. I have an idea. My friend, I will have fun even without you. Now I will be with you all the time, and you won't touch my stuff. Brush your hair. So pretty. Makeup. Ta-da! Grape. Now your turn. Oh no. You're not my real friend.
It is your new friend, Naomi.
New friend? Naomi, so cute baby. Naomi, are you ready to play? Naomi, you don't want to play? I know, let's play with the rabbits. Naomi, look, rabbits. Rabbit? Maybe you want to go outside? I want my daddy. I don't like playing with you. Shanti, I can play with my puppy. Maggie? Shanti, can you play with me, please? Okay. Thank you. Shanti, let's play with a ball. Oh no. Shanti, catch. I don't want to play with you. I don't have any friends. What should I do? I know. Hello. I'm so sorry. I will be a good friend. I promise you. I have a present for you. Thank you. You're my best friend. Kids, you need to share with your friends. My drugs. Now. Mine. I have an idea. Shoes! It's my shoes! Jordana, it's for Maggie. Wow! Make a brush. Brush? Okay. Chocolate. Try? Eyeshadow. Chocolate. Can I try too? Sure. So pretty. Thank you. Nail polish, strawberry and grape. Yay! Nail polish. Chocolate. Yummy. What is this? It's a cup with gummy bears. What is this? It's a cup, Maggie. There is something inside. Wow, it's blue. I want to try it. Wow, blueberry. Kids, you should always share and be nice to your friends. Orange. I'm so bored. Playground. Stop! Stop. Come here. Why? We need to measure your height. My height? Okay. Is it okay? You can't play. Why? You're too small. I have an idea. Wait for me. Too small. Yes. Measure me. Yes. You. Now you are here. Now I can play. Wait a second. I want to see something. What is it? Let's measure you again. What is it? Is it okay? No, you're too short. I have an idea. Can you measure me now? Okay. Stop! What's happened now? I'm here, baby. I'm not baby. What is it? Ay. My hair. But I want to play. Can I please play? You're too small. Too tiny. I need a bigger one. Yes. Okay, you can measure me now. Am I tall enough? Yes, now I can play. Where are you going, Darren? I'm here. Take off your shoes. Why? Baby, you're still the same height. No play. Okay. I need to eat fruits and vegetables so I can get taller. Apple, strawberry, orange, pineapple. You again. I ate a lot of fruits and vegetables. I'm bigger and stronger now. Can I play, please? Okay, now you can play. Go. Maggie, I have a big problem. Shanti, what problem? Shanti, don't cry. Maggie, I want to dress like you. Like me? But it will be big on you. I can cut it. No, Maggie, I want my own dress. I have an idea. Do you like it? Look! No, I'm like a present. Don't worry. Oopsie! Maggie, this is not a dress. Shanti, I know. Okay. I don't like it. This is not a dress. Okay. So cute! No, next one. Shanti, I like this dress. You? I look like a bear. Okay. Maggie, I want pink dress, not purple. Ooh, it's pink! What do you think? I don't like this unicorn. Maggie! You don't like anything. Ooh, so cute! Shanti, you're so pretty! It's blue, not pink. Maggie, I don't like watermelon. Next one, please. Shanti, it's like mine! Yeah! I love this dress, Maggie. Now we are ready for the ball! How was school today, Maggie? It was okay. Show me your grades. Mommy, sorry. Can we please play for a little bit? Okay, my dear. But you need to study better. Okay, Mommy, I promise. Let's play, Mommy. Sure. Mommy! What, Maggie? Mommy, I'm all wet. And I'm cold. Okay, let's go home. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Maggie. Can you show me your grades? Okay. No, Maggie. You didn't do your homework? I'm sorry, Mommy. Today we won't play. You will do your homework. Mommy, please, can we play for a little bit? I promise I will do my homework. Okay, but a little bit. Mommy, can we paint, please? Okay. Can we play a little bit more, Mommy? Okay, but do your homework. So fun. Hi, are your grades better today? Wait, show me them. You didn't do your homework? Again? I'm sorry, Mommy. Can we play for a little bit? No, today you're not playing. Today I will watch you do your homework. Mommy, please, can we play? I will do my homework. No, let's go home. Here, Maggie, your homework. I'm waiting. Do your homework. You're almost done, Maggie. Keep working. Mommy, I'm done. Look. Are you sure this was all your homework? Yes, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Maggie. How are you?